Hi. My name is Civatron.
And my name is Civicea. Civatron, I really want you to stay focused. This is not a game.
I understand, sis. I am as focused as a surgeon. Welcome to Robo Talk. Today we will be talking about civil court cases. We are better known as the CFT, or Civil Fraternal Twins.
We first would like to distinguish our area of expertise from criminal cases. Criminal cases involve someone who has been accused of or committed a crime. Civil cases involve disagreements between two parties.
In a civil case, the plaintiff can sue the defendant for divorce, property damages, breach of contract, personal injury, and negligence, which is also known as carelessness.
The first step in the civil case is the filing of a complaint by a hired lawyer. The complaint distinguishes the plaintiff and the defendant along with describing the nature of the case. After the complaint is filed, the defendant is informed of the charges that are being brought against them and given a specific court date and time. All of this is accomplished by what is known as a summons.
Next, the defendant is entitled to respond by having their attorney reply to the complaint. A pleadings is the answer and complaint together. At this time, the discovery phase takes place. This is when both sides pursue evidence to support their case.
The pretrial conference takes place next. A judge may have both sides meet to explain their differences. At this time, mediation and arbitration can take place. Mediation is wherein outside or third party help both parties reach an agreement. Arbitration is conducted by an arbitrator who has the authority of a judge and can make a legally binding decision. Both mediation and arbitration occur outside of court. Civatron, turn it off. Now. You are so immature.
Jeez. Civicea. It was just a text. Don't get your circuits in a twist. If a settlement is not reached, the case goes to trial. Trials have 3 steps. Step 1, the plaintiff presents their case, then the defendant. Step 2, counsel for both sides summarizes the strong points of their case. Step 3, the case is decided by a judge or a jury, which is a group of 6 to 12 people that have no connection to the case there to determine the verdict.
When the verdict is reached, the plaintiff can receive a verdict in their favor which results in financial compensation from the defendant, a verdict in the favor of the defendant which can result in financial compensation from the plaintiff, or the case for both parties is dismissed, which means no one receives money and the plaintiff is responsible for paying the court costs.
If you do not like the outcome of the trial, you are entitled to appeal the case. That sums up civil cases.
That is all for today, folks. I'm Civicea.
I am Civatron.
And we are the Civil Fraternal Twins.
We are so sad to see you go. Goodbye.
I really can't believe you. You're such an embarrassment sometimes. Okay.